Now we've got an issue. We are 2 ND filters down, and we're flying the Avata today, and I don't have my normal one that I fly, which is the ND8. So I've got ND16, and I've also got CPL. I'm not sure what CPL is. Let's put it up and try. We've got a bit of a mixture today. The bright sun coming from this direction, but we've got clouds and even a rainbow over there. So we've got an in-between, shady bits, sunny bits. I'm still not sure what 100% what I'm doing with the LUTs, the D-log and all that type of thing. So still exploring. Let's see what this CPL is first to see how this looks. I'm going to leave all the settings on the Avata what they were when I first set them up to use the ND filters. Number one, I just don't know enough to play around with those. And number two, I'm trying to rush. So let's go up. I'm concerned there's rain coming, so we need to fly. Okay, we are in normal. We are recording. Let's stick it into manual. We're at 41 degrees. That's cool. Start the motors. Whee! Mind the car. Let's go. Okay, let's see how this looks. There was a rainbow over there. If you can see it now. Into the sun. Oh, there we go again. I need to change that max height, don't I? Perhaps have a look, see if we can do that in a second. That looks cool as usual. She's roaring down there today. We shouldn't be standing in the middle of the road, really. Let's do a loop. Okay. So let's actually bring her back. Just see if we can change that max height, and I'm going to get out of the middle of the road. Settings. Control. No. Safety. Max flight altitude. Let's see if that helps. And try that distance again. So stick it into manual, and we are away. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? It wouldn't take me there before. So let's have a look at the ocean. Beautiful. Okay, so we got that NDL filter on. I'll have to look up what that means. And the max height is sorted. Fly around, do this battery, and then we'll swap it over to the ND16. See how that looks. I think this one's going to be pretty good. Not sure about it when it goes into the direct sunlight. Okay, so we're taking the CPL one off. We're sticking on the ND16, which is going to be good, I think, in that direct sunlight, but in the shade it might be a little bit dark. Let's see. Okay, we are recording. We are in manual. We're at 41 degrees again. Motor starting. Whoa, it's a bit jumpy off the floor recently. I'm not sure what's causing that. Let's go look at the rain in the distance. There's no rainbow now. There was when I was driving here. Unless there's one. No. Okay, so what looks better, this ND16 or that other one? I can't remember the letters now. Now it's got quite dark. I think this filter's going to be a little bit too dark for it. Let's just see. There's a dodgy little thing here. Let's stick it into normal. Look, you see what I mean? Someone's made a little den here. Hopefully there's no one in there now. Look at this. I think it might be trying to start raining. It is. Okay, let's stick it back into manual and bring it back. Yeah, it's raining. Okay, so let me know which ND filter you prefer, the ND16 because I don't have the ND8 anymore, or the other one we just tried, that CPL. Is it CPL? Yeah, CPL, whatever that means. Let's see what it looks like once I've tried to color grade it.